Invalid email token Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix invalid email token on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to go to settings and maybe you're trying to set up a two-factor authentication, but it says invalid email token, or maybe you're just trying to log into your new account, right? So let me just go to the settings option and just try to log out as well. And maybe you're trying to log in, and when you're trying to log in and then you tap on login by phone number, it simply says invalid email token, and this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First of all, make sure that you have access to the phone number and that you are receiving messages, because you are most likely to get a SMS code for verification on the phone number that you've added on Telegram. Secondly, if the default method is not working, if you're using an app, try to uninstall and reinstall the app. If you're using on your browser, you can just try using a VPN, right? So just try connecting to any of the VPN services that you have, and once you connect to a VPN, you should be able to go ahead and hopefully solve this issue. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.